Jaké mám dojmy z dnešního koncertu? No ty nejkrásnější, protože jsme od ledna společně nacvičovali všechny písně, tak aby to všichni uměli a hlavně jsme si to chtěli nádherně, ale v tom krásném slova smyslu užít.
Nejkrásnější je, když se vám plní vaše sny. A mně se díky Dominu vlastně všechny sny plní. Díky tomu, že máme hodně skvělých dětí, vynikajících sbormistrů a lidí, kteří nám pomáhají a podporují. A to mě dělá šťastnou a to dělá vlastně ten svět krásný.
30 years, it's always a very big anniversary. I was proud to be here because I know a lot of singers that now are mothers or fathers. They sing with all the energy. The concert was very, very nice in a musical level, very high. Music is a common language for everybody. We are lucky that we share this language. And it's not only the music and the words, it's always the soul. The special song for myself is Al cant dels ocells or Pater Noster, because it's a way to connect with the soul more direct than with another songs.
It was amazing to hear them singing and to follow our music, Israeli music, with love and with heart and with joy. I know them 22 years, so many adventures together because they came to visit Israel, which was amazing. And we came to visit them here. So we had concert together here and in Israel. So we know each other like family. We are family. I love very much Jerusalem of Gold, very much, how they made it, how they sing it. And also I have the Karen Hall, Sbor Domino. They are fantastic, amazing.
I've loved this association. I met them first in Germany in 1999. We went swimming together in the park, and there was a slide that went like this, and I went down that slide with every singer about 50 times, and the next day I woke up, I couldn't stand up. That was my first memory of Domino. I have about 50 since. I think the one that I connect with the with Domino is "Can You Hear Me?" because it was one of the first songs I did with them, and we had a very big contact. When they sing it, it moves me really very much.
Domino má 30 let, já tak 20 let jsem prožil s Dominem, krásný. Cestoval jsem s nima, projel jsem spoustu zemí, snad jsem jim něco dal, ale hodně dali i oni mi, takže já jsem šťastný a vděčný za to.
Jsme si zaspívali od srdce a to je pro mě ten nejkrásnější dárek, který mohu mít. Moc děkuji.